Rapido Trains Inc. I'm at the LRC factory in China. It's December, it's cold, I'm in a t-shirt. I'm going to show you today the production line, how we take the RDC models through that production line. Come on, let's have a look. Starting along this end of the production line, Ms. Wang, who is famous from all our other videos, is looking over and just doing quick checks, quality control. We have this gentleman is opening up holes for grab irons. He's got using a little Dremel, and he knows how to do this. He's done so many of them before. Here we have installing the fans in the blister, the radiator fans, and then the models are shoved over, and here we have the radiator fan covers being installed. Okay, moving on down the line. All right, here we are installing the covers over the radiators, the grills, and also the headlights. Here we have installation of windows. Here we have installation of number boards. Here we have installation of doors, and there we have more windows being installed. And this looks like grab irons being done over here. Lots of grab irons. Look at the sheet. All those grab irons have to be installed in these RDCs. We have more grab irons and handrails over here, more handrails over here, and more handrails over here. Everyone is installed just like at home. Dip it into the CA, put it onto the model. Oh, look at this, more grab irons. So it looks like we're doing class lights over there. And here, what do we got here? Here we're snipping parts for the roof vents. So this is an RDC3, there are lots of roof vents there. And here we're installing windows. This end is guys working on the installation of all the circuit boards, putting in the decoders, and the initial test to make sure it works. Lots, you cannot imagine how much those decoders cost. They cost us an absolute mint. This is Mr. Liang. He is a production supervisor, and what he's doing now is he's controlling light leak. He's actually painting black goo to stop the light leaking between the number boards and the marker lights, class lights. He's pretty awesome. We got him from another model train factory that closed, and he and his buddies came over here, and since they've come, they've really increased our efficiency because they know what they're doing. They've been making model trains for so long. Okay, there. Ni hao. Okay, no, English. Say, how's it going, A? How's it going, A?
How's it going, A?
A, oh, beauty, goal, eh? Hey, he's like a real Canadian. He said, eh? Once the chassis and bodies have been assembled, they are tested here on a little test track. The DC models have a DC power pack controlling them, and then we use the handy NCE power cab whenever we are testing DCC models. We've gone through a lot of these, but I'll tell you, as a testament to NCE, they last thousands of hours before they pack it in. And when they do pack it in, we send them back to NCE, they fix them, and we send them back to China. Look behind me, RDC Packaging. We've got thousands of RDC boxes here. And in fact, this whole part of the factory ends up being our storehouse. And when our orders get too big, Colin complains because there's too much stuff here. Come look at some of the stuff just lying around. These are all Royal Hudson boilers that have been die cast and they're waiting to be polished. Boxes and boxes of plastic parts for the Royal Hudsons. EPDM foam. Right. Tons and tons of foam. One of the things you have to be very careful about when you're doing production in a factory like this is you have to think about efficiency. So you have to think about, right, this is what's going through the painting workshop, this is what's going through the printing workshop, this is what's going through assembly. And you always have to have extra projects on hand just in case there's a time lag. Say painting that's got nothing to do, right? So we have things like these, HO scale gondolas, which we make just so that we can make sure that the factory has something to do all the time that keeps up efficiency. RDC 3 mail catchers. How many do you need? Once again, our printing room is full of British stuff. What is wrong with you British people? Why do you have so much writing on your trains? You have little logos, you have all sorts of things, little striping. You know, why don't we just paint it black and spray paint BR on there? You get the idea, it's a BR train. I'm telling you, this is costing me so much money, it's driving me crazy. Stop molting on Glade Tower. I'm in the engineering department here, the offices at the LRC factory. Ms. Chen is working on a project behind me. Ms. Sun over there is working on something top secret we'll be revealing to you in 2019. It's a very exciting new locomotive. This place is always buzzing, stuff always happening here. You might be wondering why everyone's wearing jackets. Well, here we are in southern China. We're quite near Hong Kong. It gets below 20 degrees only about a month of the year, so nobody has heat. And I'm freezing. Oh, it's hot, sissy. Oh, look at that, my favorite. This is Zhang, and she's the mummy of the factory. Well, I hope you enjoyed this look at the LRC factory. I like giving you these updates when I'm here because it gets you to be able to meet and see the people who are making the model trains for us, the ones that we love back in North America and the UK. Chinese New Year's coming up, so pretty soon all these people are going to go home to their hometowns, and most of them will come back, and they'll probably be bringing some friends with them, so we'll have all new faces next time I come. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Okay, so like this is the exclusive part of this video because all the Toronto, Ottawa, and Boston hockey fans have turned off in disgust.